Welcome to Will It Cut, our newest YouTube series that we're going to try out. We're going to need help from our viewers more than anywhere because this is something that is completely out of my realm of ideas and things that I like to try to think about. Because this water jet is not limited to the things that I'm used to, such as like steel and stainless and aluminum and, you know, fabricating of metals. It's more for everything. Like you can cut anything on it. So we need some ideas of what you guys want to see cut in half. Try cutting shapes out of whatever it is. And we got a couple ideas up our sleeves that we're going to start the series off, but it's really going to heavily rely on our viewers to tell us what they want to see cut. And so for those of you who don't know, this is a 5-axis water jet table. So this uses water at 60,000 PSI and garnet to cut basically any material. That being anywhere from glass to composite to granite to stone, concrete, plexiglass, laminate. Now, things that are laminated doesn't like too much, but we'll try it. I mean, why not? Doesn't hurt. The more I learn about this machine, the more I could do with it, right? So today we're gonna cut a beautiful brand new tape measure because we are loaded and just want to cut up brand new things.
Looks like you just bought that.
I basically just bought it. Like you could still almost see most of the numbers. So we got to figure out how we're gonna clamp it down. It must be a zip tie. I bet that's all we need.
Zip tie.
Right there. Yes, yes. Screws out and put, we're fixing it. Quick repair. Oh. Oh. That was a stainless one too. Of course I grab a dead battery. Interfere with the spring inside because I want to see if it'll unravel. Solid.
She's on there.
Oh, too fast. I think it went a little bit too fast, so we'll see.
You think it cut right through?
I don't know. It looks like it was cutting into the wood. Here, let me feel the plywood, because then we'll know for sure. I don't think so. I think there is a lot of steel, because the steel is on edge, right, for the tape. So we'll do another cut. We'll go slower this time. And if it looks like shit, well, I guess we'll have to cut another tape measure. Connor, win another one of your tape measures, because then he'll tell us if he threw it out or not, right? I need a good one, say. I need a good Milwaukee one. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the speed like way down. It won't let me move it up and down right now. I don't know, it seems like it's cutting all the way through. That piece of wood is going to be cut in half, that's for sure. It's moving a lot though, eh? The whole piece of plywood's jumping up, or the pallet, sorry. Oh my God, that was awesome. What even was that? Spring or? Oh my God. There's literally everywhere. Look around the shop. Wow. I love how it's split open like that though. That's hilarious.
Yeah, like this is the tape right there. Oh.
So that must have been the spring on the inside that let
Yeah.
go. Oh man,
To
that is
keep it,
so
like,
cool. Well, to keep it like wound up,
Yeah.
right? Like to allow it to spring back in. Oh wow, it's actually, it didn't fully cut the one. The tape measure. Falling apart in my hand. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm gonna give these out as Christmas
Yeah, I
presents.
was just gonna be like, that's what everybody's names are gonna be on.
You get one and you get one.
That's how many years you have left to live.
Oh my.
Made exclusively for Stanley Black & Decker. Black & Decker Packer Checker. Need a tape measure?
Little baby tape measure.
Just for measuring at home. Oh, Connor's stuff in half. Be like, Connor! Sorry, I needed your tape measure for something.
Your face, yeah.
It's a Lufkin. Only old school people use Lufkins. Just like this? Magic trick. There it is. Not that I'm very old school. Newest YouTube channel, or wait, is it a channel or a playlist or?